How to view replies on Threads app. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily view all of your replies in one place on the Threads app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Let's begin. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up your Threads app and then make sure to log into your account. So your threads will be connected with your Instagram account. So just make sure to log into your Instagram. Now, let me just add a reply to this random post right here. So I'm just going to say random reply right here and then post it. So I'm just going to do that for a couple more. So I'm just going to reply to this as well. And the very first thing that you can do is find the post and scroll down to view your replies. But if there are a lot of replies, it might be difficult for you to find your reply. In that case, you just tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And here you will see the threads tab, your replies tabs, and your repost tab. Just tap on replies and all of the replies that you've made will be shown right here. Now you can even edit your replies if you want. Just tap on the three dots and edit, and even delete your replies like so. So that's how you easily view replies on Threads app. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.